shots, get stabbed, gun right. Brown was a shot right, fire was a nearby. Deep breath of fresh air, that's what I'm talking about. We had no cover, so we never get our point. We had a paper map, so we started to join. I felt so good, we had a great point. Night then, and the next day we wake up, we were colonized men. Fuck the brutality of Chinese men, and they called me back to take it was a Chinese gun. And they kicked us high, and they kicked us low. It wasn't going slow, so they started cutting blood. And they never give up, cause I'm a man with the grip. And they started pulling down, cause I'm playing for next year. And they never give up.
My father, he used to tell me stories about his own land. Landscape with mountains, pastures, there's this pretty monastery on a cliff. Below that is the town, and then there are rivers, streams flowing. And apart from that, a bustling bazaar scene going on. So it was basically life in tranquility, peaceful. Everything got spoiled in the year 1949 when the Red Chinese first started to invade. He still remembers the incident which took place, how he had to run from that place, and how he ended up as a refugee in India. Hope that any minute they might go back. But that is not there now, you see.
I am a son of Tibet. And that Tibet is calling us, come on my son.
In real world, the question is not a violence and a violence. The question is whether you can justify violence.
Every day, more Chinese settlers are moving to Tibet. There are already more Chinese soldiers in Tibet than Tibetans.
I would like to compare China right now with Nazi Germany long time back. And this is exactly like 1936, the Berlin Olympics. The Chinese, especially the Hans, they are a very proud race. They consider themselves to be the most intelligent and highly developed and much more superior than their neighboring countries, neighboring states.
They want their Chinese people to believe that Tibet was and is a part of China. They want to use history to manipulate their own people.
Chinese, yes, there are Chinese people.
Independence is our birthright, freedom is our birthright. Even His Holiness accepts that.
When people complain to us that DYC doesn't have a proper strategy to lead this movement toward independence, that's a correct complaint.
To get something, we need to have action.
Unity will form by itself if you commit for a cause.